everyone, my name is Shayan Ahmed and welcome back to Simple S. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a few more science facts. So, did you know about absolute zero? Did you know what is singularity? Did you know about the Chandrasekhar limit? Well, let me tell you what these things are. First, do you know what is absolute zero? Well, if you don't, then let me tell you that absolute zero is the lowest possible temperature at which a substance contains no heat energy. As for now, absolute zero has not been possible to achieve. Now, let's answer the second question. What is Chandrasekhar limit? The Chandrasekhar limit is the maximum possible mass of a stable cold star above which it must collapse into a black hole. Well, another common word used in astrophysics is singularity. Singularity is a point in space-time at which the space-time curvature becomes infinite. Well, now let's learn a bit more about the building blocks of everything we see. Atoms! Atoms are the basic unit of ordinary matter, made up of tiny nucleus surrounded by orbiting electrons. Now, what is a nucleus, you ask? Well, a nucleus is the center part of an atom consisting only of protons, neutrons, and neutrons held together by the strong force. Now, what is a proton and what is a neutron and what are electrons? Well, a neutron is an uncharged particle very similar to the proton, which accounts for roughly half of the particles in the nucleus of most atoms. Now, what is a proton? The positively charged particles that make up roughly half of the particles in the nucleus of most atoms are protons. Electrons, a particle with a negative electrical charge that orbits the nucleus of an atom. Well, let's look at some other science facts, like the singularity theorem. The singularity theorem is a theorem that shows that a singularity must exist under certain circumstances. In particular, that the universe must have started with a singularity. Well, here's another science fact. Well, it's actually a law, not a fact. So, this law is the conservation of energy law. This law states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. This also means that we only have finite amount of energy. Now let's come to the last fact of the video, the Big Bang. It is said that the universe was formed with a bang. The bang is called as the Big Bang. It is said that before Big Bang there was no time or space. Now, this is said because even if there was time or space before the Big Bang, it wouldn't affect us now, or it wouldn't affect anything which happened after the Big Bang. And hence, to make it simpler, scientists just say that there was no time or space before the Big Bang. The matter which makes everything now was concentrated in a single extremely dense point known as singularity, about which I already told you. Now, let's see what happened after the Big Bang. 10 raised to the power of negative 35 seconds later, Big Bang's energy turns into matter. 10 raised to the power of negative 5 seconds later, universe's natural forces take shape. 3 seconds later, nuclei of simple elements form. Now this means that nucleus of simple elements like hydrogen and helium are formed. 10,000 years later, universe's energy becomes radiation. 300,000 years later, energy in form of matter equals energy in form of radiation. 300 million years later, gas pockets density increase and hence stars are formed. Well, before ending the video, I have a question for all the viewers. You can write the answer in the comment section below. The question is, two thin woolen sweaters are warmer than one thick woolen sweater. Is this true or false? I will repeat the question. Two thin woolen sweaters are warmer than a thick woolen sweater. And is this true or false? Well, that's for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.